Welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys want to see me unbox some of the products I got during the last month and the beginning of this month, please keep watching. I also picked up the KKW and Mario palette, so if you guys want to see swatches, then stay where you're at. Here's the Mario palette. It's the KKW and Mario palette. I couldn't pass this up because I passed up the Anastasia with Mario and I was pretty bummed about it. I actually regretted it. So even though, yeah, shipping's a little pricey and with tax and everything, it's more than I would pay for a palette. But because this is limited edition and Mario's amazing, he's an amazing makeup artist, I had to get this. Also, of course, the blue is like on trend right now, is like going crazy. But I'm very happy because if you guys don't know, April is Autism Awareness, so I'm inspired to do a eyeshadow or a makeup look using the blue for Autism Awareness. So let's do some swatches. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, the pan moves a little bit though, but look at that. It's a little chunky, but it's pretty. Okay, this is a lot softer. Whoa. This is a lot softer. Okay, this is a matte eyeshadow and it's so pretty. I know a lot of people were comparing this to the Kylie Jenner, what other ones? There were a few other ones, and honestly, I don't have the Kylie Jenner, the peach one, and I don't have other ones that people were comparing it to, so I'm actually pretty excited that I was able to get this and I don't really have to get those other ones. If you have any of the other eyeshadows that we're comparing it to, honestly, it would be up to you whether you want to pick this up, because if you're a Kim Kardashian fan, you're going to pick it up. If you love Mario, you're going to want to pick it up. If you are like a makeup junkie that needs to have every single palette that people release, you're going to want to pick it up. Obviously, I haven't tested it on... Oh, this blue one is my favorite. I haven't tested it on my eyes, so... Ooh. So I can't really say how it performs on the eyes, but the way they swatch, it's so pretty. Okay, so then I have this other one. I want to put it right here because I feel like I'm running out of space. And then the last one is just the white, pretty much white shadow that you can't really see. So here are the swatches. Picked up these two MAC Prep and Prime. Believe it or not, I have not tried this. The only setting spray I've tried is the Urban Decay one. I've tried, which ones have I tried? I tried the Smashbox, which I really like. Now, I don't know with the Smashbox if it actually sets my makeup or it actually makes it last longer. What I like about the Smashbox is it actually is like so refreshing on the face. So if you put it in the refrigerator, which I highly recommend, take it out when you're gonna spray your face before you put your makeup on, and then after, it just feels so good on the skin. So that's the one I like, and I'm actually very excited for this one because I've heard that this is actually like tacky, so the makeup will stay there. So I'm actually excited. I got for Christmas the little mini ones, but this is the actual size. It's a bigger size. I don't know, should I try it? I didn't put any setting spray. So I'm going to cover my mouth because it's been bothering me lately. The next thing I got is from what is it called? H&S. I'm actually liking H&S because you get one, like let's say you want something very expensive and you don't have the money that month for whatever reason. You could do monthly payments up to 4, I think, and it's super affordable. So like if you want to get something that's like over your budget, I suggest you do that. I got this from H&S. They had this same sale at Ulta. This retailed for $22 because it was half off, but I'm so glad I didn't buy it then. Oh, somebody's calling me. Yes, love? Hi, I'm actually filming right now and I'm trying to hurry up really quickly because when you get here I just wanna... I love you. Bye. That was my boyfriend. He's gonna pick me up. Okay, so I'm so glad I waited and I didn't get it at Ulta because I got a way better deal at HSN. And this I got it for $22, but this is actually the full size. I've never tried this primer, but I've heard great things about it. Looks like this. This retails for $45, which is crazy, right? I got this little sample. This is the Luminizer primer. Let's say you're very, very dry. This would be perfect for you. And then I got this Dr. Brandt Micro Dermabrasion. I also got Bobbie Brown eyeliner. It looks like this. I needed an eyeliner. I actually have the, I own the Kat Von D one, the tattoo one, which is one of my favorites, pencils, or like a liquid pen. But I don't know anything like this. Like the last one was the MAC one, but I obviously used it up. So when this was on sale, I had to get it. This is the Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Next, I got these really cool beauty blenders. I got, let me see how many did I get. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 because that was the maximum that you can get, and I got these half off. These retail for $25 and I only paid $12.50. And yeah, $12.50. What is this? Where did I get this from? This is from the actual website, Beauty Blender, but you have to go through GMA deals through Instagram, and then you go through their website and it takes you to the actual Beauty Blender page, and they have different types of deals every single week. So when I saw that these were going on sale, I was like, I need all of them, but I could only get 3. And I also got this little guy right here. This is the blotterazzi by Beauty Blender. It's so cute. I actually have bought the kit, the Beauty Blender kit, like a week before I ended up getting this. And I thought that the kit that I bought was actually came with this compact, but it didn't. And I also got a 20% off. But I'm saving that one for birthday. So I got this. This is super. You get 2 in here. You can see you get 2 in here. So when you're like shiny, you use this. And at H&S, I also got another deal. I got these 2 guys for $50. Now I did the payment plan. You know, you get 1 payment per month taken out of your bank account. And I was able to get, these are the only 2 that I'm missing from the collection, because I have the semi chocolate and I also have like the peach one, and these were the 2 ones that I was really wanting for such a long time, and I got it for such a great price. I just love their packaging. I know they came out with the white chocolate, but they didn't have that, did not have great reviews, so I wasn't really feeling it. But this definitely smells like chocolate. Should I do some? Ooh. I'm just gonna grab random colors. This one's cherry cordial. Okay. I don't know if it's me because I'm left-handed. These are not going as pretty as those. They're not swatching as pretty. I want to say because I'm not a Alrighty. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I was missing out. Okay, I'm gonna swipe one more color. I'm gonna do creme brulee. Creme brulee. Ooh, creme brulee. It kind of looks... What do you think? Does it look similar? From my point of view, it kind of does. But you guys, I don't mind because like the two palettes are totally different. So I love the Too Faced packaging, but like the unicorn one, I wasn't a huge fan. I feel like a little too much. So look at this, so pretty. Okay, so let's do Bordeaux or some Bordeaux. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Okay. Let's do a pink one. Let's do Totally Fetch. Ooh, this is pretty bright. And then they have the molasses chip. This one's very soft. It's super velvety. Ooh, you think we have another match? You think that's a match? I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? And at Ulta, I got these Anastasia Beverly Hills pencils. I got dark brown, ebony, and granite. I got 5 of these. I'm getting 5 of these. So this one is, you know what, I'm going to swatch them for you guys. Why not? Get it? Why not? But this is what it's called. Why not? It's funny. Okay. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's like a dark purple, and I'm not really into purples, but I'm hoping that it would look, it's going to be different on the lips. I'm not going to try it on my lips just because, like I said, I'm having problems right now. My lips are not liking me right now just because of the weather. So this one's Why Not. I got Sellout. This is one of their best selling mattes. Like, ooh, so pretty. I should have got 2 of these. I feel like this is gonna be my favorite. OMG, yep. This is gonna be my favorite, guys. Sellout. That is so pretty. Dude, right there. This is still pretty though. Very pretty. It looks a little dry though. What's this? Child Star. Ooh, this is pretty too. Oh my gosh, this is pretty too. Oh, these are so pretty. But still, Sellout I think is still my favorite. Queen Bee. Because we already know who's Queen Bee. Beyonce. Did you guys see her performance at Coachella? I didn't go, but I saw it on YouTube. Amazing. Ooh, this is really pretty too. Anyways, guys, that completes my purchases for the month of March and the beginning of April. I did order a few more things that are gonna come in the mail, which I'm so excited. I got the Vlada in Smashbox collab. It already shipped, so I can't wait to box it with you guys and to try it out, because honestly Vlada is another amazing makeup artist, and that's one of the reasons why I actually wanted to buy it. And also I was able to get 20% off, which was even more amazing. So stay tuned for that video. Until next time, bye guys.